Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make an image full page in Google Docs. So open Google Docs. Now select blank. Here click on insert. Move cursor to image. Select upload from computer. Now here select your image. Click on open. Now double click on this image. Here click on image options. Now here click on text wrapping. Select wrap text. Margin from text make 0 in all side. In position, select fix position on page. Now make the size as you need. So this is the way guys you can make an image full page in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.